My name is Joseph. I'm just offering sanding and sealing of the pavers.
Oh no, not now. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy here, Joseph. Today we are going to be door knocking. Okay, we're gonna be knocking on these doors, and I just picked up a shirt. I don't know if you can see. We do it for you, pressure washing. That's your boy right there. So we're gonna see if we can make $500 a day, or even just some money today. All right, in this world. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and we're gonna get a bunch of no's and hopefully a couple yeses. All right, so stay tuned. All right, I got my stuff out here with me already. Okay, so we're ready to get done. We're ready to knock on some of these doors and see what we got going on. All right, so we're at our first door. We're just gonna knock and see, let these people know what we do and if they want to get their stuff cleaned. No answer. Let's keep walking. Alright, we're gonna knock on that one and that one. No soliciting, guys. No soliciting, guys. No soliciting, man. I don't know how people, they want their stuff clean, or they let their stuff get dirty and then get mad when people promote their business to you. But look at the way their driveway looks. Like you need the business. Hello. Number 4 with no answers yet. So I like to step back. Nothing, guys. I mean, just look at these people's sidewalks. So that door right there, I had gave her the card and let her know all the services we do. And she said she was actually looking to get something done like that. So, I'm just bringing the phones for some other ones, but that's a potential lead. She asked about oil stains on her driveway. So, that's something that we will be looking at to get done as well if she needs it. So, one lead, I guess, so far. Let's keep going. House number 6. Number 6, done. 6 to 1. And right now it's like 12 o'clock a.m. So a lot of people are at work, and a lot of people are in school and work and all that. So, we're not gonna get a lot of answers right away. But that's why I leave my card inside the door. So that way when they get home, they can see my card, all right? We're gonna walk up this one. I see 4 cars here, so let's see what we got. Okay, no answer. Card right in there. Oh, how you doing, boss? All right, I just put a card in your door. I'm just out giving quotes for pressure washing, and we're actually doing sanding and sealing of the pavers as well. So Just thought if you'd be interested in a quote.
Man, I would love to, but you come back Saturday, I would.
Okay.
But right now, I'm just busy.
No problem, no problem. I live in the neighborhood.
You do?
So, yep, I live on Harley Quinn, right around. So there's my card. We offer renovations inside the homes and also anything cleaning on the outside of the homes as well.
Okay, then I appreciate it, man.
All right, boss, no problem.
Okay, I keep
Thank
you.
you.
All right.
See that, guys? Now, sometimes you can go against them and argue or say, you know, he's busy right now, come back Saturday. Okay, well, I'll be back Saturday, you know. doing pressure washing out in the neighborhood.
Okay.
And just wanted to know if you would like a quote for yours.
Okay. How much would the cost?
For yours, I'll say 125,
125.
and we use chemicals to make sure all that stuff doesn't grow back no more.
Okay.
And we also, we also do construction in the house, so bathrooms, kitchen, painting, anything you name it, we do it.
You have a car?
Yep. There you go. Yep. I'll be in the area. I'm doing someone else pressure wash around the corner, and so that's why I'm knocking on the doors.
Okay, no problem. I tell my husband if he's interested.
Yep.
I know it.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Bye.
Well, she's gonna tell the husband if he's interested, you know what I mean? So we're out here. Like, subscribe if you guys appreciate the video. This is all raw content, you know. We didn't even get a job today. A lot of people, they like to show you how the heck is my door locked? Uh-oh. Let me know what you guys think of the content, if you guys want to see more content like this. And you know, this is all raw footage. We didn't even get a job today, you know. Some people might go out there, knock, and get a fake job just for the content, okay? So the next video, we're gonna get a job, all right? Or I'll let you know if one of these leads turned into a job, all right? So like, subscribe, stay tuned.